Welcome.
You are watching Line Screw 1. Well, hello tubers. I've got a little bundle of joy here to show you. Underneath all this newspaper is this little fella. He got evicted from the nest today, and I'm in the process of rescuing this little fella. Nature can be quite cruel. Sometimes the eggs that hatch earlier, they're bigger and stronger, and they kick out their siblings, and sometimes even mom kicks out the sibling, or pardon me, mom kicks out one of her offspring. But if you listen carefully, so sorry, there's a lot of noise of other equipment going on around me, but he's making nice, cute little chirps. He's a small little fella, and he's gonna go to a wildlife rescue tomorrow if he makes it through the night. It's actually in the middle of the night here. I'm doing my Good Samaritan work while he lives in a Amazon box with some tissue paper. All this little stuff around here is all the dog food that we've been trying to feed her. So, could be a her, could be a him, don't know. But let's see if we can feed the little fella. We managed to get a bit of food into him earlier. Let's see. Come on, little fella. Come on. Open the beak. Open the beak. Come on. Come on, open the beak. Come on, open the beak. Open the beak. Come on. Come on. I know you can do it. You're a strong little fella. I believe this is a starling, if you're wondering the species of bird. Come on, you're still pretty strong. You fell a long distance. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Go, 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 go. Come on, open the beak. Open the beak. Open the beak. Get some food. Come on. Come on, I know you can do it. You did it earlier. Come on. Come on. I know mom's not around. I'm your new mom. I'm your new mom tonight. Come on. Come on. Open the beak and I'll put it in. Come on. Open the beak. Open the beak. Open the beak. Come on. Open the beak and it'll go in. It's nice and warm. Protein and moisture. Come on, you need it. Come on. Open the beak. Come on. Open the beak. I can't hold the camera and open up your beak. You gotta do it yourself this time. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, boy. I don't know what you are. Come on. Just open the beak. Open the beak and the good stuff comes in. It's just like the stuff that mom regurgitates for you. Come on. Come on. Open the beak. Come on. Come on. Come on. Open the beak. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it. Good boy, girl, whatever you are. You got it. Get it down the gullet. Get it down the gullet. Come on. Well, you grabbed it. You gotta work with me here, there. Come on. You gotta work with me. Yeah, this little fella fell about 9 feet onto concrete and survived the fall. Doesn't seem to have broken anything that I can tell. This fall happened probably, oh gee, 6 or 7 hours ago. And it was a very hot day. If this little guy wasn't spotted, he would have been perished from the heat from falling on the concrete from dehydration, or somebody might have stepped on him. But anyway, yeah, most people wouldn't care, but we're doing the best we can here. And this little starling baby is gonna go to a wildlife rescue. Seems pretty strong. I think they're gonna make it through the morning into the night. And I got somebody running it in to a wildlife rescue center, I believe in Abbotsford, so they gotta do a little bit of a drive to take care of this little fella. But it's pretty cute. I know I'm giving up sleep. I should be sleeping right now or watching something on Roku, but instead I'm up feeding the baby. So come on, open the beak and swallow the rest of that gook that I gave you. But the fact that it's chirping and it's in a safe place, not too hot, not too cold, should make it through the night. Sitting here in the Amazon box. He's a cute little fella, look at you, he's a cute little fella, look at you, you're so cute. Pretty cute, the little sounds it makes. Anyway, guess that's my good deed for the day. But this little guy's got to work with me. I can't do everything. I got the food in the gullet. Just got to take it from the beak. Okay, well, I should wish the little fellow a good night. And he's sitting in a bowl, actually. Sitting in a bowl in an Amazon box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just arrange him in a such that I'm not going to go anywhere. And I'll put that over there, and I'm going to turn the lights down so that he can go to sleep. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Wish the little fellow a good night and a safe rescue. Over and out. You doing okay? Oh, look at you. Oh, you're doing something there. Okay. Eat your food and go to bed. Okay. Good night, little guy. Good night.